In a world of fleeting moments, we capture memories with a silent click. But before the lens focuses and the sensor fires, a complex symphony of light and electronics must be assembled. This is the unseen assembly of a modern digital camera. Every camera begins with its core structure. First, we install the main logic board, the camera's brain. This intricate PCB processes every command from shutter speed to image quality and controls the flow of data with lightning speed. Next, we integrate the most critical component, the image sensor. This digital canvas captures light, converting it into an electrical signal. Its placement must be absolutely perfect, with no room for error, as it will determine the clarity and detail of every photograph. Now for the mechanics of sight. We install the ultra-fast shutter mechanism, which controls the precise amount of light hitting the sensor. The electronic viewfinder and LCD screen are also added, providing the photographer with a perfect preview of the world. With the core body ready, we add the final piece of the optical puzzle. The lens mount is installed, allowing for a seamless connection to a variety of lenses. Its internal focusing motor and stabilization components ensure that every shot is sharp and steady. The final details. The exterior casing is sealed, protecting the delicate internal components. The camera is powered on, and with a quiet click, it captures its first perfect image, a testament to precision and vision. The assembly is complete. The moment is captured. We've built a window to the world. If you want to see more technology that powers our world, like and subscribe for more unseen assembly videos.